What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Carnival remote key fob. So this key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to hold the fob with the buttons and logo facing down, and then we're going to take a look at the bottom. And I'm going to use this emergency key to pry up on this back cover. So I'm just going to come here like that, put the key in there, and then push up on the back cover. And once it's started, I'll just pull it off with my fingers like that. And now we can see our battery right here. And this battery needs to slide out of there, but it's sitting down in there. We need to pick it up, the board up just a little bit. So what you can do is just kind of get a hold of this rubber piece and carefully pull up, and then get your finger on the circuit board. And it doesn't need to come all the way out of there. It just needs to be up about that far, just to give that battery room to clear and slide out. Once we get our old battery out, we'll grab our new one. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. So go ahead and slide that in, make sure it's all the way in there, and then make sure that circuit board is sitting down in that rubber piece. Once you have everything sitting where it needs to be, we'll snap this back cover on, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.